If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine driven by an automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, and AM/FM stereo, power mirrors. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, traction control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.